Good day, YouTubers, and how you're doing? I guess you're doing fine in this pandemic, and life is hard as it is, and sometimes we are needing to make some online purchases, which probably we would not be doing if not for pandemic. And a case in example is furniture. So usually we are buying furniture from the outside stores only, but in this pandemic, like me, I needed a bed. So I was a little bit skeptic about ordering a blade from any of these online sites. So finally, after receiving the review here and there, I chose a Flipkart Opus engineered wood bed. So today I will give you an initial review of my purchase. I ordered it 3-4 days back. It got delivered yesterday evening, and today morning only the installation technician came and they installed the bed. It took around 1 hour for them, and they were prompt, so they did good. So I will give you a initial review because I spent just less than a day with the bed, so I cannot give an in-depth review of how the bed is doing right now. But initial review of how the product I felt it is, the finishing and everything, and how the purchase is. So I will give an initial review, and I hope it helps. So this was the boxing in which the product came. You can see it's given Flipkart Perfect Homes. Here is the design of the thing which came on. You can see the details over there. So let's go to the bed and find out what it looks like after being installed. So this is how it looks in the room. My room is not a very big one. It is around 12 by 13. So this is a queen size bed. Anything bigger than this, I think, would have been looking a little bit clumsy. So this size, I guess, is good for that room of that size. So this is the initial room. Let me switch the view. Let me open the cabinet because this is a storage unit. So this is the inside. This is not a hydraulic system, just a manual one. So you have to open by hand and access the inside area. And in the headboard, I have chosen this model which has a headboard. The storage space is okay, not too deep, but you can use small decorative items to keep in order to decorate your headboard. So only small books you can keep, not a big novels or something, small books. And a little decorative item here and there. This my sister made for me. The quality is very nice. The wood quality, the finishing is very nice. I have not faced any kind of chipping or anything. Most probably the delivery was done right and the installation was also done right. So it depends actually on your luck. So far it has been good. I heard in some comments that during delivery it got damaged, but nothing during my time. So you can see the thickness is adequate. It cannot be said it's the boards are very thin. It's adequate enough. And I ordered a mattress. The technician advised me that you should order a 5-inch mattress. The mattress which will go for this bed is 78 into 60. And they advised me to keep a 5-inch mattress and keep a minimum 5 inch because that mattress will suppress and it will put pressure on the bed and the whole bed will remain solid and there will be no creaking noise like that. Otherwise, if you are using a very thin mattress, there will not be enough pressure on the bed and you may hear some noises here and there. There will be not a uniform pressure, which if you put a thick mattress, it will be there. So it is advisable if you use a thick mattress. So my final review of this product is, this is a value for money product. I spent around 13,400 I guess on this product, and for that price I think this is a very good deal. Look, it is not a solid wood teak furniture. Those will cost around more than 40,000 to 50,000. So there is no comparison there. That is a different segment altogether. But if you need a product that is more value for money, if you are changing places, so this is a very good product for you. And in their own right, they are very solid. So till now I have not faced any creaking noise, or there is any kind of loose joints or any kind of misfinishing over there. So in its rights, in its price bracket, and whatever you are investing in an engineered wood product, it is a very good product. And till now I am happy with the delivery. I am quite happy with the installation. They were prompt, they did good. So yeah, as a customer I hope that this will serve me good, and hence I made this video. So for the people who want to purchase online furniture but is skeptical, because when I was searching in YouTube for online furniture videos, review videos, I could not find many. So I thought, why not make a video if it helps other people. So I guess I will leave my link of my purchase in the description, and I will also leave the photos of my room and the installation where the people have come, and you can see how the bed was starting from the beginning. So I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, a like and a subscribe will be phenomenal. Thank you, thanks a lot. Keep well and keep happy.